I think along those lines, I was in a panel
Will you repeat the question? As best you can.
I'm so excited to give the answer.
I know.
So I just can't stop.
I know.
So, the question was, now I'm going to see if I can get, how do we develop that critical thinking? So, and how do we go past the because I said so kind of approach? And a lot of times that is how we teach, right? A lot of times is, this is the correct answer because that's what I told you and that's what I wrote on the board. And how do you move beyond that and get into really training critical thinking? And part of that issue, what I was going to say is I was on a UCA panel, as maybe a year and a half ago, and they asked some students about gen ed. And one of the students said, general education is such a waste anymore because I don't need to know a little bit about everything. I need to just be able to, I can go and look at it. And she wanted to be a journalist, wanted to do interviews, and said, if I was interviewing somebody from NASA, I would just go and look up information about space, and then I'd be able to talk to them. And of course, all the faculty in the room got sick to their stomachs, and it's just very aversive. Because what we understood is it's not about what you know, it's about how you know it. And it's about how you think through it and how you process it. And some of that gets back to what I was talking about kind of rethinking how we present information. I can let a computer do all of that fact-based training I need. I can get a computer and I can have it do flashcards. I can do a lot of that drilling of knowledge. I think really the only way that we can train critical thinking is to practice critical thinking. So to put in a kind of more of a political plug, we need more research in our undergraduate programs. We need students coming in. We need them designing hypotheses. We need them testing those hypotheses. We need them to see the process of critical thinking. And sadly, that's the only way to do it. As we have to get more critical thinking into our curriculum.